Hi guys, I'm going to try to quickly flip my camera so you can see me live. 1 second. Yeah. Hi everyone, my name is Chef Neha. I'm from Delhi NCR. The name of my food company is Hearts and I. You can follow it on Instagram. It's hearts underscore and underscore I. Today I'm really live. I'm really sorry, really excited and nervous to go live with Amul. I mean, I've grown up with Amul product. It's very overwhelming for me to do this today. And I'm going to teach you guys a croque madame, which is actually a French kind of cheese toast recipe. It's or a cheese grilled cheese recipe, grilled cheese sandwich recipe. But I'll teach you how to make open sandwiches with it using Amul cheese. And it's really easy. You can add egg if you like. You can make it without egg. I'll show you the without egg version today. And I'll tell you where you can substitute the egg if you would like to use some egg. So we start with the cheese. I have the regular Amul cheese, which is we've all grown up with it. We love it. I've used the Amul Gouda as well, which is amazing. And I've also used another cheddar. So what we're going to start with is we're going to mix the cheeses, right? This is the regular Amul cheese, which we all have at home. We've all grown up with. This is the Amul Gouda. It's amazing. It's so delicious. It feels like you're eating this cheese in Switzerland. And a little bit of cheddar. Yeah, you can bring the camera a little further. Yeah. And now I'm going to add a teaspoon of corn flour. Now, the reason why I'm adding corn flour is because I'm not adding eggs. अगर आपको अंडा use करना है तो यहाँ पे अंडा डाल सकते हैं. Otherwise, use corn flour. And we need a little liquid because see with egg there's a little liquid that comes. So I'm putting some Amul Gold milk. अब इसमें आप skim milk भी डाल सकते हैं, whatever milk you want to use. And we just mix this together. If you see, it's not very wet. It just kind of combines it. That's the whole idea of doing this. We combine this, and now I'm going to move to how to make the cheese toast. If you can you all hear me? Can everyone hear me? If you can't, I'm going to repeat the step.
What are you making, chef?
I'm making the world's best cheese toast. That's what I'm making. It's really simple. It takes about 15 minutes to make, and you can make it anytime. And you can do your own variations also in it. Everyone can hear me, yes? Yeah? Okay, great. So, I have 3 toasts here. These are already toasted, right? So, you can use sourdough bread, kuch bhi bread, white bread, any bread you have at home. You don't have to use a multi-grain bread. It's up to you. But if you have the option to choose your bread, तो आप थोड़ा अगर thick काट सको अपना bread, ऐसे भी thick, अगर ऐसे भी काट सको, वैसे भी आप काट सकते हो. Whatever you like. It's totally up to your taste. I like this. It's quicker, it's fun, and it's nice and crunchy.
I did not know Amul has a lot of variety.
Yeah, they do have a lot of variety. In fact, they also have an Amul Emmental, which is supplied to hotels and chefs. So they're actually doing a lot of interesting things.
Please repeat this one.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to quickly, I'll go through the recipe again. The ones who just joined, I'll go through the recipe again. So we started with grated cheese. All my cheese is over here. So I used 3 types of cheese. I used the Amul Gouda, I used हमारा regular Amul cheese, and I used the cheddar. अब आपके पास जो भी चीज़ है घर में आप mozzarella भी use कर सकते हैं Amul का, whatever. You can do a mix of 2 cheeses or 3 or 4 or 5, जितने भी चीज़ आपको add करने. चीज़ आप grate कर लीजिए, फिर आप उसको सब चीज़ के साथ में bowl में mix कर लेंगे. उसके बाद you just have to take a teaspoon of corn flour, which you will add into your cheese. I've already added it, so I'm not doing it again. You'll add that to your cheese, and you'll add about 2 teaspoons of milk. And once you add it, you will mix your cheese together. और अगर आप देखते हो, consistency is it's not runny. You know, it's just kind of combining it together. For those who use eggs at home, you don't have to use the milk or the corn flour. You can just use 1 egg with this recipe, and you can mix it together. You have the same consistency. And then we move to the toast. We put this on the toast. It's just so easy. You guys will be amazed how easy it is. And I promise you, it is the world's best cheese toast. Use great cheese and you'll love it. ये हो गया आपका. Next, आप करेंगे. I've got some onions. You can add some onions as well on top, on the side. You know, just for decoration and for flavor, of course. You can add some mushrooms. You can add some mushrooms, some freshly chopped mushrooms. यहाँ पर you can add corn, you can add peppers, you can add meat for those who eat meat. You can add some tomatoes. I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes so it's very nice and sweet, and they look beautiful once this is baked. It looks so lovely. And अगर आप for example हरा प्याज भी थोड़ा add कर सकते हो, that gives a really lovely flavor and a great color as well. And one thing which you mustn't forget is add some pepper. मैंने ना pepper देखिए freshly ground करा है. It's not perfectly grounded. So just add some pepper. It's nice to have this little crunch and this color when you bake it.
Milk, is it warm or room temperature?
No, milk it can be cold or room temperature, not warm at all. In fact, cold milk is better because we don't want the cheese to melt, right? So this is it. It's actually so quick and so easy. And then I'm going to pop this into the oven. I'm going to show you guys one which I've already prepared ahead. And there you go. So now once it's ready, there you go. So now if you want to add a little bit of
Raw mushrooms?
raw mushrooms have been added. See the raw mushrooms that are added. If you can see the raw mushrooms, see they've gotten cooked as well now, right? They've gotten cooked, they're ready now. You can add some spring onions on top. You can add coriander, any herb that you like. You can even add a dried herb. And then I love to finish off my food with microgreens. Microgreens are very healthy, very healthy. In fact, they have, I think about 20 times or 50 times more the nutrition the adult plant has.
How long to bake?
So sorry about that. Baking, thank you for asking me. So the baking will happen at 220 degrees Celsius and you'll bake for about 15 minutes. And when you put on your oven, make sure your oven is on for the top rack and the bottom rods. Both the rods are on. We don't want to just grill it from the top. And the temperature will be 220 degrees Celsius. So for example, some people's oven could be running a little hotter, right? So then you can make it 200. Agar aapka oven doesn't run really hot, then 220 degrees is usually a good temperature. But make sure your oven is preheated before you put it in. And yeah, so that's it. And we can also
Baking time?
Baking time is about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You see, for example, I love my cheese toast a little more grilled, a little more caramelized. So I like it a little more red. If you want to keep it a little less red, you can also take it on in about 8 minutes, And in the end, I like to add some infused oil. I make these myself, just a little bit. This is a herb infused oil, or you can use maybe truffle oil or जो भी आपको oil use करना हो. And I'm going to quickly break this and show you guys. I forgot to get my knife, sorry guys. See, there you go. So if you see the cheese, it's soft from inside and the top is nice and crisp. And it's really hot. So I'm going to have a quick bite. Microwave में आप microwave कौन सा microwave? Just the plain microwave or microwave OTG microwave?
Microwave.
और in a microwave अगर आप करोगे तो microwave not more than about 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Because if you do it longer, then there's a fear of the cheese burning, especially because we're using milk. If you use eggs in this recipe, the oven time will also go up by 5 minutes, and your microwave time will also go up by about 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm going to have a bite of this.
What's the recipe?
It's yum. It's yum. Okay. It is so yummy. So the recipe is
Also, we have to use toasted bread, right?
Yes. So the bread must be toasted, because if it's not toasted, what will happen is cheese will sit on the bread and the bread will get soggy. So it won't be fun eating it. Number one. Number two, for your recipe, I've used these 3 pieces of toast. So in them, for all of it put together, I've used about one cup of cheese. About 1 cup of cheese mixed together. Sorry, I've been told I've talked very fast. I'm going to go slower. So for your recipe, you need about 1 cup of cheese, a mixed variation of cheeses. You can also do it with 1 cheese if you like, but it's nicer with 2 types of cheese. And I have used cow down from Amul, and of course the regular Amul cheese, the regular processed Amul cheese you all grown up with. And I've also used the cheddar. You can also do a mix of Amul ka mozzarella as well in this. It's really delicious. With mozzarella, what will happen? You get the stringy, cheese toast. What, do you have any other questions?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we watch the recipe later? Yes.
Yes, I will. I'm going to share this video on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, and you can see it there. My Instagram handle is heart_and_I, and I'm currently in Gurgaon. I'm between Gurgaon and Delhi, and I deliver world cuisines around Delhi NCR. So even if you're watching from Noida or Ghaziabad or wherever, please call. I'd love to feed you all. And if there are no more questions, should we close the session for today? And please guys, whoever makes this, please share it. Please share it and tag it the world's best cheese toast. Let's start like a world's best cheese toast tribe online. It'll be so much fun. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We can press it.